All right. So we are going to start the class now. Sorry for the delay actually. We are waiting for some other people to join the class. But since they are not still here, so we continue the class. All right. So I'm bringing up my RBI. So we have new data sets for today. I'm trying to, for this class, I'm trying to replicate it design. I don't know if I still have, I saw it online. I saw this slide online. Yeah, let me see. Sales, analysis, dashboard. All right, now don't use to, I don't design. I think that's why it's on my phone. All right, so I have Power BI opened up. So the first thing we want to do is to have our data set. We want to bring up that data set. Hello? Yeah, good afternoon. Wow, I did not know. Yeah, that's great. Uh,
Hello?
yes,
Who recorded?
yes.
Who
So
recorded?
we're trying to import our data set now. All right,
Okay.
so I'll go to click on data set. Um, all right, I have, where do I have my data set? I think it's this one. I'll open it. Okay, I hope my system will not mess up this time around. Yes, so I'll bring in all the data that I need. I want all of this, all of this. I want all of this.
Táìmù ni wọ́n lọ ń pè mí sí gàrí mi ráyè.
Load them.
Ìgbà tí mo ti ṣe fún látàrí òkè.
Thank you. coming up?
I don't want to one class, want to one class. Want to online one class.
Yeah. Yeah, so we have our data set now. So let's expect what we have. Let's expect what we have. So we have a table containing customer data. And what we have, we just have the index number of the customers. We have the customer index number. Then we have the customer names from the customer table. Then if we look at customer data, then we now have another one. What's the difference between these ones? This is customer data, this is customers. I have not seen any difference there. They have 50 rows. This has 50 rows. So first the processing step, I have not seen anything different here. Yeah. Blank before. Different fire. So you can import the data set. I import the data set now. So what I'm going to is I think I will go ahead and delete this customers. Now, one thing I would guess is I really don't know anything about the data set, but looking at these two data sets, it seems the ones with data there are pre-processed ones. Like they pre-process because this is actually just a repetition. You see? So what's the difference there? I want call, I want awake friend. All right. So let me look at these products. Yeah, there's product data too as well. So we have product data, no difference. See? Products, product data. All right, so there's regions, no any other regions data. No, there's regions 50, which is similar, 100 rows, 100 rows. Same thing. So there's sales order. The sales order 7,991 rows. There's sales order here. So I will just delete all the ones with, I can select one, I will delete the ones with data in front of it. Eh? Yeah, if they are not processed, we need to process anything, they will process it ourselves. So I'll delete from model. Good. I'll delete this one as well from model. I'll delete this as well from model. Where is the delete? Where is delete from model? Delete from model. All right. So probably when you are bringing in your own data, you saw the data set I sent on the Slack channel. Yeah, I sent the data set. Eh? Part of, yeah, you can, anything modification you do to the data is part of the data. You know, I brought in all of them, but I'm now finding out that those ones are actually duplicates. The tables are just like this sales data is similar to sales order. See, it's the same thing. I'll share it. No. Are we here? So these two are actually the same. So that's why I'm deleting one of them. You don't need to keep the same. So if you are importing your own, you might not even bother to import all of them. Just select the ones that we need from. Or if you have got ahead, that you can delete that one if you want to. So go to your table view. Go to your table view. At the other end, yeah, you take table view section there. Yeah, then you can right click and delete from there. So I will just delete sales data. There's a chart. Sales report. Lawal, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, please.
Yeah. You say you've not been able to open the sales report.
Yes, after clicking on the get data,
Okay. After
So
it's,
I'm seeing
okay.
what I can see here is the Excel workbook, Power BI semantic models, data flows, as in that those options and a lot of them like that.
And
SQL Server,
what did I
database.
send? What did I send to you? I'm coming. Let me check what I sent to you. I sent an Excel file to you, right?
Yes.
Can you share your screen? Share your screen. Let me see. Let me stop sharing my screen first. I'll share your screen. Let me see quickly. All right, all right. All right, so let me share screen again. All right, so I'm actually deleting, I'll delete the sales let me delete the sales data. Delete this one, delete from model, yeah. Yeah, I'm just importing the data. Yeah, you need just import the customers, product, regions, and sales order. So those four, I think they are the deletes from model. Yes. Sales order. Yeah. That's 5 things. 4. 1. Products. Okay, not most data. Eh? Not most data. No, not the ones data. Others. Yeah. Unit cost and code like this. Okay. All right. We are good. This is actually similar to the last class data, right? But this time around, I want us to focus on time-sensitive information. Remember the last class when we are designing our dashboard, we didn't do anything with time. Yeah. And some of the most important things that we want to do is time bound. You see, last what is the sales value? So last year, how is the sales value compared to this time this year? We improve last year or we progress for this year. So we'll do, we'll focus more on time sensitive, more time sensitive class. All right. And notwithstanding, we are still going to do more on designs, but what we have on our visual time. So let's look at our data sets first, if we have anything to pre-process. Do we notice any abnormality in this data? I think this is actually fine. I have customer index properly captioned there. I have customer names properly captioned, and the data set there is okay. You ask me? Yeah. Yeah. Because even if it's not well written, not the same. Yeah. Another thing that we might want to do is to say, let's divide the two first name and surname. But it's actually not necessary for but we can actually do that. Yeah, we can actually do that. If I click on data transform, yes, transform tools, where is it? Transform data. Transform, if I click on transform data, this one, I should see something there. Split, do we see it? Split columns. Then by whatever I want to split it, there should be a delimiter. It might be space, it might be comma, it might be something. So any character. So this one I say by a delimiter, I can use by delimiter there. You see? It's saying space, so I can change this one. If what is separating them is not a space, if what's separating them is a comma, I can use a comma. Same cell? Yeah, in the same cell. Did you get? Yeah, it's to split the cell, but it's going to split them by what are you using to split them? Did you get the idea? So if there's like comma, surname, comma, first name, then we are going to split by comma. If it is space that you want us to split by, we'll split by space. If what we are splitting is by hyphen, sometimes I want to split year, month, day. You get the idea like that. I want to split year, month, day like that. And note that sometimes it is slash that will separate them. 2022 slash month slash this. So in that case now, we can use yeah, custom and say what's the character, enter the meters. This you get the idea to split that one. But I'm not going to do that because I am not thinking we need it here. I think I saw one very interesting option there. They say by delimiter. I think there's a by capital letter. I saw something like that there. I didn't know where I saw it, and it's going to be an interesting option actually. Yes, by uppercase.
Uppercase to lowercase.
Yeah, by uppercase to lowercase.
Lowercase to uppercase.
If I split by this, I think this should work well with this data set.
Okay, guys.
Let me see. Let me even try it. There's lots of uppercases there. You see what you did there? All is splitting all uppercases. You get you understand what's going on there?
I think it is when it hits an uppercase.
No, when it goes from an uppercase to a lowercase. I should go from a lowercase to uppercase. You get? This is now an uppercase going down to a lowercase, so it breaks there. Let me cancel that change again so that we'll see what this one will do. So if I split now, if I click on this one, I'll go from lowercase to uppercase. No. So I do not know what this option is doing at this point now. So, but majorly, what we split by most times is say a delimiter. When there's a delimiter between them, say a slash, a comma, or there's even a space between them. If I split by space now, I believe it should work. Well. If I split by space, I want to believe that it's going to work very well. So split by space, where is it? By delimiter. Then if I go by space, okay. Yeah. This one has no space. So it is giving me none as the surname. So like this. So this is, but I actually don't need this. Yeah. So I don't think this table needs any pre-processing, right? I'll check the other one, products now. Do we need any pre-processing here? I don't think so. Yeah. So let's go to region. Do we need any pre-processing here?
We might.
Eh?
We might.
Okay, where? Where?
Is that or
That this is all. I don't think we need any. We don't need. There's no point for any pre-processing here. View. Let me see. Column quality. Error. No empty. You see. You know, this is an option that you can explore.
That's it.
Yeah, so valid, 100% valid, 100% valid. So it's under view. Under when you are transforming your data, just switch to view.
Let's transform.
No, so under Power Query 2, Power Transform. Where we go to modify your transform data.
Transform.
Transform. Yeah, to see it. You know, we are on data tab now. That's why we are seeing the data quality like. So you can add many. You can even add column distribution to see how your data is distributed. See, so we have unique values throughout here. All these ones are unique entries. So they are repeating values here. So if I go to column profile, you can add column profile to it. Let's see. So there's minimum value there, there's maximum value, there's average value, there's standard distribution there. So you can see that one. So I will just remove all of this. All right. So sales order. Let's look at sales order. Do we have anything here to process? I think we are good. Unit cost. We are not checking the data type though.
In sales order. We check the data type of customer for products.
Okay, this is a date field, yeah. This is what is this? SO order number one, as long as it's unique.
Customer name index. What does that mean?
Customer name index. I think that should tie to customers. Did you get the idea? It's customer index. See? All right. I think we are good with the data set. I don't think there's any need for any preprocessing. If there's any need, we can still come back to preprocess. All right, so let's go to our dash. Let's go to dashboarding directly. So I will customers. Okay, home. Close and apply. Close and apply. Even if I didn't do anything. All right, so I'll go to my my Power BI now. Good. Now I want to do something. I want the background of my dashboard to be a graphic. It's possible. Are we there? So I would have a graphic design there. I just want to show us that it's a possibility. So that if we see a dashboard that is looking very clean, we're not looking at it that there are more everyday issue. So I would use this as my dashboard design. Yeah, I'll use this as my dashboard. I'll use this as the background of my dashboard. Are we good? There's actually a design that I saw online. I can't find it again now. So I'm trying to replicate that. I have it on my head, kind of. So, right? So I'll put a text there. This is Figma. This is Figma. So you can use any graphic tool. You know how to use PowerPoint. As long as you can export it as an image. Yeah, PowerPoint, anyone that you can, any graphic tool, Canva, can use Canva, can use Photoshop, can use anything. Sales, I would have even used PowerPoint. I think everybody would be conversant to that one. Figma is powerful. Yeah? Figma is powerful. Very powerful. Powerful. Figma is powerful. And I learned it in 2 weeks. Figma? Yeah. Wow. So what is this one? Yeah? We use it to create prototype for application. Prototype for applications. Yeah. So yes, this is a prototype. This is a prototype of one of them. So before it is coded, before people code it, then most developers don't know colors, all those, they don't care. But if you give me this now, we replicate this for you exactly as it is. So you are taking one stress off the developer. And so that's basically, and you can actually go check the flow, how it works. You like this online? Yes. Yeah, it's a Udemy video. Yeah. So what do you do? Figma. Yeah. I don't go Figma class from Power BI. But what is exactly part of it? If you can use Figma, you can use Power BI. Yeah. If you can use Figma and you can use it, Figma will elevate your design skills. Definitely. Now, if you do it on Figma, you do it successfully on Figma, you can now replicate that on your Power BI. It's just Power BI's dashboard. Yeah. It's just not the gas aspect of Power BI. Yeah. Just dashboarding. Yes, now just dashboarding actually. You want to use Figma do? That's yeah. All right, so make I still do it. So I'm trying to bring in this one, sales dashboard. Okay. Let me just increase the size. Our system too slow. Even myself, when it is not that I want to kill system, I open Figma and Power BI together. I open I swear, Figma alone, my 4 gig RAM Wi-Fi, maybe open Figma alone. Yeah, no, the other one inside. It doesn't open Figma alone. 4 gig RAM Wi-Fi, maybe open Figma alone. Not to now say you now combine it to Power BI. That's I noticed that my system has every time I open my cloud PC now. So yeah. Because most of the Power BI this one like around. Yep. So I would have this. Then I think I can add one small image by the other side. I don't know. I'll just bring in any image that will not waste so much time. So if I Control C, if I Control V here, yeah. Eh? You can. No, definitely. There's nothing that somebody here cannot. There's Control Z. Nothing.
Like this, that's what I shall put on Slack post on post.
Yeah. Let's see. This one will allow me edit. So let me make it 80. Nice. Now I should requesting to record this meeting locally. Allow recording. Okay. I think that's a good initiative, though.
Yes.
All right. So I would export this one. All right, I think I have it on my system now. So from Power BI now, there's where we look at without visualizations now. Are we there? You know, we can use wallpaper. When we go to this, it is formatting our entire page now. Did you get the idea? Well, if we add visualization to this page now, the format that is going to be here now is not going to be for the page again. It's going to be for those individual visuals that we have on it now. Are we good? But see this example of what I'm talking about. If I do this now, you see the formatting this thing has changed. This format now is no longer for the entire template now. It's just for this. So if you want it for this, you have to select it out. Now we are back at formatting our page again. So you see page information, canvas setting, canvas background, and all this information. So let me do canvas background now. Are we there? So I can now bring in that image now as a canvas background. So let me go to downloads, frame, open. I hope it works well. All right. Image fits. I'll do fill. I don't know what that would look like.
Oh, it's let's try.
Yeah, let me see fits first. All right, I don't even know why. Okay, so canvas background. Yeah, let me see transparency. Yeah. But my image,
Sorry, sir.
yeah. Okay.
This is not what you wanted.
My image looks squashed.
What did you do?
Yeah, I don't start to admire my work again. I never do anything first. All right, you say I should go back. All right, so now this is, I just switch the wallpaper. So if you click on here, you see things about the page. So from here, I can do page information. I can change the page name, say sales dashboard, change the name, sales dashboard. All right. I think that changed. Then I can go to canvas setting now. I can change the height and the width however I want. Letter, you see, if I want a portrait kind of design. This is not very useful though because of the excessive space that we have there. Most people will be doing it on 610. Are we good? So yeah. No. I just imported it. Yeah. So I'll go back to my original. This. Yeah. So canvas background now. This is it. So image. If I cancel this one, I can import it back. Just browse image now. Yeah. So put it there. It's going to come inside. But now I didn't set this thing. I didn't set it. So what's it? Should I say fit? Let me say fill first. Fit, yeah. Fit works for it perfectly. Now, don't forget that I adjusted its transparency because it's a wallpaper. You see, this is the actual page. The actual page is white. So if you want it, you have something on the background so you can make it go. You see? For me, I want my background being so totally. Yeah. All right. Wait, wallpaper. When I did canvas, I should put it wallpaper. Let me see. I don't know what, I'm not sure of the difference between both of them. So let me see the canvas first. Let me put it as a canvas. As a wallpaper. Yeah, the whole page. You understand? Power BI gave us a wall paper on its own. Then the report is what you call canvas. You get the idea? So I need it on the report itself, not on the on the background of the report, not on the wallpaper. So I'll remove this one and put it back here. Yeah, we're good. Filter pin, no need of board. I didn't change this to fit. All right, I think we are good. We are good this way. All right. Okay. On Slack.
Okay, if it's going to stress, it's fine. Yeah. But I thought since you don't have Slack on your office.
No, I don't.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Let me see.
No, just black.
You change it. You change background. Yeah, no, Alan. You can add that text too from Power BI. Just put the text fit there. Yeah. All right. So the next thing I want to show us is adding filters. Are we there? But before we add filter, we are dealing with time-sensitive data now. I want us to pay attention to this part of it, to this part of Power BI very well. Anytime you want to do anything that relates to timing function, please click on that table. Create another table. Don't use that table because you feel like there's date inside of your data sets. You now want to use that table as for your visualization. Most times it causes issues. You know, you would have dates. We have dates in our data set. We have like other dates in our data set, right? Are we good? Now, I want to use that other date inside the data set for our date-sensitive data, the date information, right? The general advice is don't use that date. Create Power BI's dates. Did you get the idea? BI's dates. Yeah, Power BI has a tool for tracking what year, the previous year, when you use its own auto dates. Are we good? Are we good? Did we get that at all?
For what if it's just a sales information that at this particular date in the past, sales happened. Sales happened.
Yeah, there's always you are going to have the dates. Are we good? But the problem we are going to have now is that imagine writing the code now to generate sales for the previous year. Did you get the idea? This time last year. Are we good to go? Power BI automatically provides things outside of the box when you use it. Did you get the idea? What we are going to have now is just date, year, and month, right? Year, month, and date. That's what we are going to have. Now we are now going to start to need to calculate what quarter is this date. Did you get? When I want to work with quarter information, what's the quarterly sales? What are quarterly sales? We need information about quarters, right? We need information about, say, the month. Probably what we have is 03. We want it to be March. You get the idea. So Power BI provides out of the toolbox for us to work with all those, to get all those things out of the fly. Yes, for its own generated dates, own generated calendar.
Generate some forms from one existing dates.
Yes. So we are going to create a new date table. Then we are now going to relate it to whatever date we want. So that date table now is what's going to carry the year, date numbers, date. So everything about dates is going to be in that date table. Okay. Where do I see this one? Where is it? I don't see I'm okay. Okay. Are we good to go? Now let's look at how we can create. Let's look at how we can create that. This is going to be intensive though. Yeah. It's actually kind of intensive. Most times I used to make referrals. Like I'll just go and find it because the code doesn't change. I'll find it most times, but I think let's see. So I'll create a new table. Let me go to my data. I'll create a new table now, right?
Which table are we working with currently?
We are not working with any table now.
Okay, just want to create a table for time.
Yeah, or just all date information. You get the idea. So I want, give me a date like this. Give me what quarter it is. Give me what month is it. Give me what day of the week is it. Give me, you get the idea. So that when I now make something about date of the week, what day of the week, so I'll just match that. Did you get it? I'll just match that thing the way we link exactly. You get the idea. Currently, our data set doesn't have all these things. I want to look at what day of the week do we have the most order. Do we get the idea? What quarter of the week are we? You get all those information. So I want all those, and the most common ones are always, you can get information about the quarter. They are always very interested in quarterly information. How have we performed this quarter? How have we, first quarter of the year, how do we perform? Second quarter of the year, how do we perform? They are always interested in that one. Then secondly, if we can get monthly, like if we can split by month. Now if we can get the day of the week. For that, yeah, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, like that, we can get that out. Then we can get what else again? I think that's basically I think that does it basically. Are we good? So let's do that. I'll create a new table now. So it's going to bring a DAX field for us. Remember? Yeah. So I can name this table, say date table, date underscore table. Are we good? Now, what's this thing going to be? What's my DAX going to be?
The action word.
There are two ways that I can do this, right? So we are not, if you see it, we are not going to get confused. I can use a command. Let's type date first. Let's see if it's going to bring anything out. Calendar. Calendar is the keyword. Power BI saves it as calendar. Anytime Power BI is working with those big, it's auto-generated anything, we have calendar. Yeah, I can see a calendar function there. Are we good? Then I can see calendar auto here. Are we there? Calendar auto. What is the difference between both of them? If I put calendar here, if I use calendar is going to ask me for the start date and the end date. Are we good? Are we good? So I will still have to do something like this, dates. You don't become complex, Adi. Yeah. So date now, I can now pass in the year. You see that it's giving me a tip there. So what year am I starting from? If I say 1995, comma, what month? If I say January 1995, right? What day? On 1st, right? To what date what day do I want to generate the calendar to? I will say write date again. Are we there? What year? I'm generating to 2024 or 2025, right? What month? Say 12. What 31? Nice. 31. If I do this, are we good to go? If I enter, it is going to generate a table for a column for me. You see, date automatically runs spanning that day. Are we there? So remember calendar function. Don't forget calendar function. Calendar, that keyword should always be there. You always need it anytime you want to see it. Yeah, with it. Calendar. But I would rarely use this. Right? I will use this instead. I will use calendar auto. Do you know why I'm using calendar auto? Do you know why I'm using calendar auto? Power BI will go into my model and check all the data that I have in my model and pick the smallest and the largest and automatically compute the rate for me. So if I enter now, If I enter, whatever it is that Power BI is giving me now, it is the range that it can find my data. It is from 2017 to 20. So if your data is changing now, did you get the idea? If your data is changing now, yeah, it will be updating that this thing itself. Did you get the idea? So I see no reason why anybody would want to use calendar. Just use calendar auto. Are we?
Okay, something strange.
Okay.
Yours start from 2017. Mine started from 1/1. Yours is separated by April. Mine is separated by slash.
Okay. Yeah, by through formatting, but yeah, but there's no need. It understands that just leave it. It's an auto generator. So anything you perform on that is related to time, you understand. Are we good? Now the thing now is that to this field now, are we there? To this field, we want to add columns to it. Errors. All right. What? Fail to resolve. Name. Let me see. Yeah, just halfway. No one else. I think you say it now. Because you see, it's calendar is yes now. I like and for it's that there are some people that use. Yeah, I really don't know. I was thinking it's just like follows. All right. So the next thing we want to do now is we want to add all those other columns to it. Like, okay, we want to pick out only the name, right? Yeah, no, not only splitting now. Now I'm not splitting. I want Power BI to automatically pick the for me. Did you get the idea? Because now this is the danger of actually splitting. Look at the format that your own is. Your own is with slash, right? What if you regenerate and it turns to iPhone? Your code will have issues. That's why I said for date functions, for time relevant functions, don't trust whatever is coming from your data set. It's inconsistent. Some slash might choose to translate data as a slash, might choose to translate that. So, and trust me to Power BI. Did you get the idea? Use the functions to. So if I want to do this now, there's the add column function. Are we there? Now, a add column function always takes in the table, and what value are you adding to the table? Are we there? Are we good? So that is why I said there are two methods. Now, another method I can do now is I can do new table now. Add new table. Are we good? Then I can say calendar all now. Are we there? Equal to. Then I will now add columns now. Add column. Do you see the add column function? Add column. Are we there? Then you see that it's giving me hints. It says, give me a table there. So what's the table that I'm giving it? I'm giving it date table. Are we good? Yes. Comma. Yeah. Name one, expression one, comma, name two, expression two, like that. Okay. Let's wait for them a bit. Welcome, sir. Welcome, sir. All right. So now this column now will take what is the column name? The new column name. You know, it takes a table now. The table that we want to add column to. What is the column name that we are adding? I will say year now, right? I think it should be quoted, it should be a string. I will say year, I'm not sure. But, it doesn't, no, it's giving me, yeah? It's telling me name one. Now, what is the data that I want to pass into that place? Are we good? Did you get what's going on there? He's saying, give me a table. It's the new table that I created. That table that I created. I want to add other columns to it. You get the idea? So we can apply this function to any table inside our data set. If I want to add new columns to the table now, I'll just do add column, then put that this thing there, then continue like that. Are we there? Yeah. All right. Then what is the expression? What is the expression I want to put? I really don't know this one. So I'll do this. I'll do year. I think it has a year function. Year. Are we good? Then what date am I passing in? Then I think I can use date table. Date view. Let me see. I would explain. I hope it works. Yeah, I'm coming. So let me check this table first. I want to look at what's going on there. What's the name of the column?
By year, month.
The column there is dates. So let me pass in dates there. Yeah, I think it works. So if I enter this, it should work. It is? Is it? Yeah, it should. It says fail to resolve name, date. It is not a valid table, variable or function name. All right, so let me see. How do we specify name of tables? Let me see. Date table, date. It's expecting a column there, I think. So let's enter again. Yeah. Are we there?
All these to output here.
Yeah. So now I'm coming. I'll give you what to write. I'm just explaining this one for all. I prefer the other method. Yeah, there are two methods. Now, I will not bother to create this date table first. Did you get the idea? I'll delete this date table. Yeah? I'll delete it first. Are we good? All right? Then my calendar now. Let me create this one as calendar. Remember what my add columns is taking? My add columns is taking a table, right? So why not do calendar auto here directly? Are we there? I will just do calendar auto here since I know that the first column is a table. You see? Then I'll do add columns, add year to it. What is the value? This, comma, again. Are we there? No, this one is going to be date now because I'm picking it from the same table. Did you see? So go, comma. Then I will go again. What other one am I adding? Let me add quarter to it. Why am I getting error? Oh, I'm coming.
Let me be sure I get you right.
Okay. Yeah. So I'm not sure why I'm getting an error here. Okay, I think I shouldn't close this. Yeah. So quarter. If I go for quarter, I'll go comma again. Yeah. No. Quarter. Then I'll go. How do we calculate quarter? Quarter is year. Yeah. Are we good? Year or how do you calculate quarter?
It depends. Are you going to 3 months or 4 months?
4 months.
Right? So there are 4 quarters in a year. There are 4 quarters in a year.
So it's going to be months now. Sorry, let me get months first before I go quarter, right? So I can go month, right? And go. There's a keyword there again, month. Are we good? So I will just pass in that date again. There. Date. as a column. Dates. Dates, yeah. That works. Now let me see if this will work first before we continue doing rubbish along the way. Yeah, this works. Year, months. Is there year? Yeah, we have year. We have month. All right. Now, are we there? Let me re-explain this code now. Are we good? I am using the add columns function. Remember what add column is doing? Add column is adding a particular column to a table, right? Remember? And this is creating a table for us. Did we get it at all? Remember that when I run this table alone, it created a table for me with just one column. That column is called dates. Are we good? Then I'm now saying I need a new column there. Add this column here. What value are you putting for me there? It is year of the dates that you just created. Did you get the idea? Comma again. It's just going to be comma, comma, comma. What other columns do you want to add? Months, right? Comma. What value is there? Month of that date that you created. Are we good? Now, if I go again, comma again, then I now say day. If I put day there, if I put comma, day, comma, what value am I needing there? Day. Put the day of the date, right? Eh? No, it's not, yeah. But we can format. So I'll go like this. You see what's going on there? Are we there? Now can I say another column, day name, right? Day name. Day underscore name, right? Which is another column from there. Are we there? Yeah, I can now say comma. What value am I needing? I need day again, right? I need day again. Day of the date, right? Date. But this time around, I want to format it. So there's a function called format. Are we there? Then, comma, here. Comma. How do you want to format it? This is day. All right. How do you want to format it? You see, it's giving me format. So I will say, how do we do that? Day. I don't know if this will work though, but let's try it. Eh? Yeah, if I reduce it, it will shorten to go mon. I'm coming. It will go Monday, Tuesday. See. Did you see what's going on? Did you see what's going on there? So for day, just D. For hour, H. For year, Y. You get the idea? So this is Sunday, so I prefer it full. Are we good? Yes. I don't know if there's a function for calculating quarter. Let me see quarter, comma. I don't know if there's a calculation for quarter. Yes, there is a quarter. Why meaning keyword? Yeah, keyword.
What's the expected date?
Yeah. All of them are expecting the date. So if I go, let me run it first before I get happy. I'm not sure it's the same quarter. Quarter, yeah, quarter 3. Yeah, it works.
Like it's let me show you what you need that all of it. Let's do this. It's not clean. Where any months that you get around that.
8 is quarter 3.
Slow down. Let's maybe
This is 2.
And so I'm from
and it's 9 quarter 3.
Yes. September is October, November, December. That's 10, 11,
Yeah. So is there any
count formats? Yeah. Works.
Are we good? What? Yeah, the T9 is. So I think I should do this. Let me see a white sheet. What we are going to have is I can send out this. But even if I send out to, I still working back for 2 years. Still working back for 2 years. Yeah, that's what. Just understand this, just understand it, but no, it's not making you up to cram it, just understand the format.
I like Power BI because of those.
Yeah, those suggestions, just understand the reference. So me personally, what I do is I keep the high level information. The information that will allow me to Google search. Now I know that when I'm working with dates now, I'm using calendar. You get the idea. So if I have anything to do with dates, my beginning search will be how to use calendar in Power BI. Are we good? Yeah. So from calendar, I will see how to add columns to calendar, how to add rows to calendar like that. So but it's where you are going to have a problem is when you don't have a base level of place to start your search from. So for this one, I would think you will just go with calendar auto, then add columns. Once you know how to use those two, I think you'll be fine.
There is some other knowledge of key functions like this format day now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you would understand. Yeah, just check it, and it's because I've used it before. I used that format function before.
So the first ones in quotes, those are just like variables that we are declaring.
Yeah, the column heading. Then you just pass comma, the value, comma, column heading, comma, the value, comma. And it's not only for time function that we can use this rule. You can use add columns to any other table in your data set. Just passing the name of the table in the first place, comma, what's the heading that you want to add, comma, what is the function. If you want to divide two columns, this column divided by this column, then you are good to go. Are we good?
Normal hard column.
Yeah. It's new, so yeah, so I'm recording this one. I'm recording this one. Are we good? So which other date-related information do you think I need for any time-related information that I need? We have the month, we have the day. No, I don't think we have the time. I think we have the time.
Yeah,
so we can have the time. All of them?
Yes.
Are we sure?
Yes.
Yeah, I think this is Power BI generated time. So all right, so what else can we have there? What else
So
can
now
we have
the
there?
most problem, what we have the data set that has the exact time.
Yeah, monthly. We didn't do monthly. So let's add monthly. I'll go this. Are we there? Then I'll say month, right? Month name. Then I'll do comma. Format. Are we there? Then months first. I want to get the month first before I format it. Months. Then I'll put the date there. Dates, right? Then how do I want to format it? Yeah, M, right? So Ctrl S. And why am I doing Ctrl S here? Nah, single quotes. I don't know why Power BI is not allowing double quotes with single quotes. What's the problem with single quotes? It should work, Jerry.
Yeah.
Yes. So we are good to go. Are we there? Yeah. So what else do we need? Yeah, because it is bringing it as numbers normally, and I need it in. Are we there? Yeah, I need it in a month or a day or. Do we get it? Yeah. So normally we didn't use the format. We just pass only month and pass the column. It just give you 1 to 12. Are we there? We give you 1 to 12 when you just pass on it. It's like that. But if you now use the format, it will change it to all the January. So what else? What else do we need? What else?
I was asking a question that
Yeah.
Although I don't think it's you are going to be because I was saying that what if we have a thing to set where the date was time where particular
want to do any preprocessing with time. Time is time.
Yeah, they did say that. But the probably just join them.
Yeah, time. Yeah, time is time. You get the idea. You know, we are doing this one because there's a lot of women who can preprocess things, like calculate water, calculate. You get the idea. Calculate the water, calculate this thing. So, but for a time, 3 o'clock is 3 o'clock, 5 o'clock is 5 o'clock, 7 o'clock is 7 o'clock. So there's no. I don't think Fabia has a big for time. Are we there? So we are good. Yeah? Half year. Half year. Mid-year is up to 2 now. 1 and 2. Yeah, it's going to be from quarter. Yeah. Yeah.
I know that you close your calendar auto.
Yeah.
Close it.
Yeah. That calendar auto is a function. This is a function on its own. Generating is just that it's not taking any variable. Yeah, I closed it once. I closed it. Yeah, I closed it. So are we good? So we have this table now, right? Now let's go and do linking from our data model. Let's go and link. Are we there? From our modeling tab. Let's link now. So we have all these tables now. Are we there? See, this one is not linked to anything.
Sorry, I don't want to say it for us. Can you just do like 5 minutes?
Okay.
Like let's practice this one.
This one, all right. Let me reach out to those guys online. Yeah. Hello, guys online. Can you hear me?
Yes, I'm here. I'm here, sir.
I'm giving 5 minutes for us to practice what has been done. Are you following along?
Yes.
All right. So we'll just take a few minutes so that people will digest the tables. All of us will have the date tables set already, right?
Okay.
Power BI, right?
Yes.
The table. Which one? Table view. Okay. This one. You are looking at the formula, right?
Yes.
And another thing, if you want to format it to be easier, we can do something like this: Shift Enter, so that when you are reading it, it's a lot easier for you.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
All right. I really don't know what is happening. So I want to share the screen. I don't.
Okay, you want to share your screen?
Yes, so it's showing me you can request the host to allow multiple sharing for this meeting.
Yeah. Let me allow you to share multiple. I'm coming. Settings. Allow sharing multiple. Where is it? Share screen. Allow participants to share screen. Let me see. Security. Okay, can you share again now? Let's see.
Okay. Someone else is sharing.
Oh, I'm coming. 1 minute again. I once saw that option where I can allow somebody to share. Let me see. I'm coming. Okay, multiple participants can share something. I share now. It should work now. So I think this is a lot easier to read. Your first entry inside add column should be the name of the table I want to add column to. Then other columns will follow. Yeah, I can. Are you sharing already, Lawal?
Yes, can you see it now?
No, not really. I cannot see it yet.
Okay.
I'm coming.
Your name is inside the square brackets. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
But on my own, the command is not showing square bracket. I think we have to inside it.
It's not showing square bracket. If it doesn't show square bracket, then there's no need. Did you work?
No, I'm not trying. Comma is erroring out.
Then try put the date. There is the name of the column.
It's erroring out.
The column name. And you are sure that that's what's causing the issue. You still have error?
The syntax to is correct. The date is not valid. So the difference I see is that you are having square brackets around the date, and I'm having round brackets.
No, you cannot have round bracket around the date. But you have to have a round bracket because the function. But around the date itself, so it's a round bracket, then a square bracket around the date. Did you get?
I was going to say that's what probably I suggested to you. But let's I'm just going to give you what you said. So let's start with here. Here first. Oh, yes. Then close it on.
Lawal, I can't see your screen. No. Let me stop sharing. So probably.
But for
All right, I can see your screen now.
okay, thank God.
Yeah.
Now, to get it here, right?
Yeah. Are you sure? Okay. Yeah, it's the same data. Yeah. Okay.
Are you with me now?
Yeah, I'm with you.
Okay. So
It is loading now. You have the data already loaded now. Close all these ones. Close it. Close this tab. Close this.
okay.
Close this page. See the data. They are already loaded. Look at your right hand side. Look at data there. See, you have loaded them plenty times. Sir.
Yeah.
Yes, those are the data. See, you have loaded them so many times. So you have to delete some of them or close this file and reload again.
Okay.
Reopen Power BI again. Close this one. Don't save. Yeah, reopen Power BI.
Okay, I should now. Okay.
Yeah, reopen Power BI and import again. So once something imports, right? Then you see it by that your right hand side.
Okay.
Yeah. To the screen back. It's sharing.
Can you still see it?
Yeah, I am not seeing your screen yet.
Oh shit.
I think you disconnected your screen. You can see it like this.
Can you see it now?
Let me see. I'm coming. Yeah, I can see it now. Oh, yeah,
All right.
report. Yeah. Okay. All right. Go back to Excel workbook or get data. Anyone? Yeah. Yeah. Open. Yeah. Yeah. So select the ones that we need. I think we needed our customers, products, regions.
Customer.
No, not customer data. No,
Okay.
remove that one. Remove product data too. We don't need it.
Okay.
Yeah, customer. Yeah. Products.
Okay.
Yeah, regions.
Region.
Yeah. Then sales
orders.
Yeah. I think those are the ones we need. We don't need those other ones. Then load them.
All right. So I should do it now.
Yeah. Load. So once it finishes loading, you will see it. Look at your data tab. Look at your right hand side. See that the data is loading there. So once it finishes loading, they will show there.
All right.
You see, I think it's almost there. Working on it. You see, they have loaded all the tables you did have loaded. So you can view them on the data view by your right hand side. By your right hand side, the next view is your data view. Yeah. So you can see them there. You see.
Okay.
So this dates column that we are creating, you can create a new table. Look at new table on top of it.
Dates.
The one we
You mean
just
here?
no. New table. Look at new table. Yeah. No. On your menu.
New table.
Yeah, there's new table. There's new measure. There's quick measure. No. Go back. Yeah, there's new measure. There's new. Look at new table. So if you click on it, then you can write that query that we have written just now.
Okay.
Yeah, so you can create that date
Alright.
table that we have written right now.
All right.
All right. Yes. So I think you can stop sharing now,
But
right?
the calendar you were that was showing here is not here on my own screen.
The calendar. Yeah, it's we that created the calendar. Now you are not following the class.
Okay. Okay.
That was the new table that we created. Because we created a new table. So click on create new table. Then you can name it calendar. So instead of table equal to, yours will be calendar equal to.
Create new table. As in this one, I can just do it here, right?
Yeah, so instead of table now, change that table to calendar equal to, yeah. No, calendar, you didn't put the name. No, you didn't put the name. You didn't put a name there. It has to be something equal to the name of the table. Yeah, what's the name of the table?
As in calendar
Yeah,
like this.
you can name it calendar if you want, yeah. And you can name it any other thing that you want. Equal to, yeah. Yeah. Equal to,
Okay.
then add columns, yeah. So the time is up. You can be doing that one. You can be doing that one. You can say you are recording the video, right?
Yes.
All right. So you should try to follow it up later.
Yes.
All right. Are we there?
Yes.
Okay. So we have all gotten the calendar table.
Yep. Let me see what our calendar is.
I can't see your screen again.
Yeah, I'm not started sharing. I'm coming. Basically, the number I expected, and there's no need to format it. That format is actually changing from number to this. All right, we are back. We are back now. So I will share my screen back. I'll share my screen back. So share screen. Okay, share. All right, so we are here now. Are we good? We are here. So I will go back to my report view now. Go to our report view. Now, what do I want? What do I want to do in my report now? Are we good? First things first. Since we have time, are we there? I want to create a filter first. I want to create a filter for time. Let's check this one because I don't think we did anything filter last time. So how do I do that? There's a view here called filter. Where is it? Look at your card, you see filter there. That's like funnel. Look at the slicer. Sorry. If I go slicer, I had it here. Are we good? Then I can add data to my slicer. What do I want to slice? I want to slice by by the date, by years, let me say. Are we good? Are we with me? So if I drag and drop year here, so to give me a drop down or something, depend. That I can slice, see, I can select range now. Between this is 2018, between 2018 to 2019. Did we get the idea? It's more, you see? So now I can select options. Let me see. Select options. I'm coming. Where is it? Okay, I want to format now. Are we good? Slicer settings now. I don't like this. I don't want this one. What am I sliding? You get the idea? I don't want this. So I can change it. Slicer settings. So let me say between. No, I don't want between. I want a drop down. You see? All years. 2017, 2018, 2019. Yeah. This is by year. Are we there? So now this will not, probably where this will be useful is where I don't want to have any people that ask year, give me something by year. You get the idea? I just want to have my product by this, but I want to give it control. I want to see by year, and that's very, very, all those give me something by year, give me this by this product, by this product, I can toggle by year when I want to. Are we good to go? All right. So I'll take this one off. I'm following your method now. The other day that you told me that must we put card on here to have a good design. Now I'm not putting card. I want to see what I can achieve. Yeah. What I can achieve with it. All right. So I can do this. Then I will still go for further formatting. Let's say I've checked slicer setting, selections now. Let's say single selection, multi-selection, show all. Yeah, on this one. Did you get? Why I on that show all? I want to be able to select all without, if there are plenty ahead. So I off this one. Then I'll go to slicer header now. Slicer header is telling me year, right? Yeah. Though I'll look, I can change the font. Say Times New Roman or Comic Sans. Yeah. Then I'll change it to say 12. Yeah. Let me make it 10. 10. Good. All right. I think that's good for that. Okay, then values now. Values. Do I have to change anything to the value? I think the values are good. Let me make it smaller a bit though. I think the values are fine. Good. All right. But the first things first, let me go to general. Effects. I want my background. Yeah. I want my background. I don't want anything on my background. So I'll just make it this way. Let me give you the background color set. Background color, let me make it gold.
Again. But color is nice.
Good.
Color is good. Just change the good color. Or is it too colorful?
I think it's too colorful to my liking. Yeah, I think I'll just go with properties. Where am I? Effects. I'll just go with the no color right one time. Gray. Yeah. No. Is there a need for any? Listen, let me just come out the background direct. Then carry my color back to white. Everything back to white. Values, slicer settings, values. I want my values to be color white. Yeah. I want the header to be color white as well. I think this should be well. I need a border that's going to be white as well, or faded a bit. Border, general border effects. Yeah, I think I should have visual border on. Then make it something a bit gray. Yeah, I think I'll go with this.
That's why you are getting properties of the slicer.
Eh?
You are getting properties of the slicer
Under filters.
Yes, I just want to figure out you are getting properties of the slicer.
Oh, here. I just go to this place.
Sure.
Most time when you want to format a visualization, it's always there. This is the tab. This is the type of visualization from last week class. This is the type of visualization, selecting visual. Then when you want to format it, you just switch to this tab. Which one? You did not select on this there. You have the visual out there. You want have a visual. When you have no visual there, you can format it. So it's actually dependent on if you select the visual, and the formatting there will be dependent, it will be changing based on the visual you selected. Yeah. Eh? Where? Yes, definitely. Okay, I want to change. Let me still format this a bit again.
How did you change this to drop down?
Under the slicer setting, the option style. I will reduce this header. Yeah. Okay. And okay, 11. Let me make it 10. Then the values. Let me make it a bit smaller. Yeah. Then I think I'll just reduce. Why is this still not reducing anymore? I don't want it this big though. This is too big for my liking. This is too big for my liking. But it is what it is though. Are we there? So I have this one. So I can filter by Otilo.
For some reason, you don't say design.
Eh?
Over it. Over your mouse.
Why would I want to hover before I see value? Okay, so okay, let me see this. I'll reformat. I think it should be under values. I think it should be background. I'll just add color. I want to make it transparent. I want to make it transparent, but if it's not having transparency, so I will make it black or gray, lots grayer, and make it black. Yeah. Yeah, I think this looks better.
Yeah.
All right. So there's other thing that I'm thinking that I can do here. So if I select this one, values, if I put month there, would it go? Yeah, I should. Definitely. Yes. Look at what I did here. Now, most times this is here, right? I can switch this one to say dates. I'm coming. Let me change this one to dates first so that we'll see what's going on there. Header. So instead of, I'll say dates. But only year is not a date. As a stand now, I can only fill by year. Now, what if I want to go by month? Do I still have to create another slicer? No. What we just need to do here is, on your slicer, you can add them to drill down. You get it? It will start from higher level or higher level filter. Then I can drag month into it. You see? Then if I go down now, did you see that I can select 2017 and see? Yeah, did you see what's going on? So I don't need this type. I want the month name there instead. So I can do this 2017, then I'll see we have only January and December for 2017. Then for 2018, we have why do I only have January and December? For 2019.
Meanwhile, if you go back to the dates,
yeah.
Go back, let's use the date now, not the date month. I think we probably have all of them.
Yeah, I think we have all of them for the date month. So we have a problem there, probably from our calculation of that month name. So let me use the month first. So let's see. We should have all of them for the month. See, yes. 1 to 12. 1 to 12. 1 to 12. So I will recheck my calculation for month name. So let's see the calculation for month name. All right. What's the month name?
Eh?
That's what the box name is speaking for.
I am not sure it's going to because we did calculated column. Yeah, it is.
January, and
December.
I think she's right. I'm putting the information we have.
Where?
Like for example, this is October.
Yeah.
January.
Yeah, it's yeah, but it means that our calculation is wrong somehow. So let me change this one to 3M. So it must have been my formatting. I really don't know why.
Still wrong. This is July.
So what's going on here? What's going on here? Format month, dates, yeah. But this our month field is correct now.
Yeah.
Yeah. The month this thing here is correct. So why is it okay? I'm coming first. Without formatting now, let me put hashtag here. Let me see. Yeah, so it will just give me number there. I think this to give me number is loading. Yeah, it gives me the correct month. So what's happening? Month. Let me put M first. It's not giving you. I don't think there is. I think there is here. Is it MM for formatting months? Let me ask Copilot. What is the string for formatting months on in DAX? So this is quarter. This is year. Okay, they give us 29 now.
See what MMM.
But now MMM we used before now. Where is it? Okay. To the previous screen. Wait. Did you see it? Display the okay, MM. Display the month as an abbreviation, January to December, MMM. January to December, this MMM. And now what we do now? I've been now because I use capital letter. Let me look at it. I'm using capital letter, so let me see. Yeah. So what's wrong? Quarter, dates, month name, comma, format. Yeah. This looks like it now.
Wait, can you put a month again?
Say probably this. Well, let me see because I don't as at this point I don't know what's wrong again. Same thing. So let me copy from here. I'm sure that one is working. I'm sure the other one is working too, but when we are looking for solution like this. Yeah, so I'll format this one to see. No, they say there's an existing column there. Month name, right? Then let me format this. Format. Comma.
Local name.
Now the format, and that local name is optional. So where's the format? MMN. Like this. This should better be correct though. This is what we had before though. As at this point, I don't know what's wrong with it. Let me see. Okay, day display full day. Display the week of the year. Okay, display the month as a number. Display the month as an abbreviation. Okay, year, hour.
Okay. So at this point, I really don't know. Okay, since I have one this thing here, let me see. Format, month name. Name now. Name. Copy from here and see. Yeah. Let me see this one. Ó ti ṣiṣẹ́ o. What do we do different? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. This is the same. This is what we have been doing now. Yeah, I just. Which one? No, that wouldn't be the. If I carry it up, it should still work. So what's now the issue? This is exactly what we have been writing before.
Yes.
This is exactly because this is format. This is dates, comma, month name. That's it. It's the same thing we have been writing. So what it change? And we use capital letters before.
Yeah, it does.
So I think probably when there is this thing, just close and rewrite again when you get because that's the same thing that happens to zone 2. The same thing. Yes. All right. So I think we should have this one setting up properly in. All right. So if I do this one, if I bring back the month and put month name there. So go here, enter. Yeah, we have April, August, and code there. Now, go, yeah. It's still, it's going to always appear until you put a visual. There's a default, to put out. That's going to stay, it's not going to appear in your report. That's a default formatting for, it's always going to be there till you start working on it. It's still telling you that your report is empty. So you need to start creating things. When you start creating, that thing will go. Just start creating that thing, this thing will go out by itself. That's more like their empty reports format. When you don't have anything in your report, that will come outside their report. So when you start adding visuals now, like you start putting filter, that thing will go by itself. Yeah. All right, are we here? Yes. So I have the first filter. What other filter do I think is going to be useful for me? Another filter that I might think is going to be useful for me is to filter by, say, city. Yeah. I would come here, place this one and say, okay, give me, remove this one, right? Because I don't want to put that one inside my visualization. So I want to say sales order. Is there cities here? Is there cities here? Yeah, I think there's city. So I can put it here. What city? So do you see? Are we good to go? So I can now change the name of this one, format this one, go to settings, the name, slicer setting, no, general. I need the name. Slicer setting. What's the name? It should be header. Slider header. So I'll go city. I'll put city here, right? So do we have any other thing that would think that might be useful to the this thing that we can add as a slider, as a slicer? Region is still the same thing with city. A region might have 2 or 3 cities. Then we can make region and city the same filter. Just change it to location. Just provided which will automatically detect them. It will automatically detect it. Share the one Power BI. So let me make this one location.
I think the Power BI is not fixed at my home. Under the slicer setting, I can't see star.
How?
Put the slicer setting. So
yeah. You see, you said definitely see style. You definitely options. Yeah, I did expand options. Check it. Is there options?
No.
Did you click on the slicer?
Yes.
They don't get it. It's good that they don't get it. Because it is high. See the way that on. Are you sure this is like?
Yes. It is.
Like this one, I'm seeing another one. So that's one. Different number every time.
And it's still the best thing. So, but I'm changing this one now. Yes.
All right, are we good? So which other thing? So I want to I change that one to location, right? So that I can bring in both the regions, right? I can bring in the we don't have regions. We don't have region information. It's a table that is a region. No region information, but we can bring in cities, right? Where is it? We can bring in city.
Hello, what of the postcode?
Eh?
I can see postcode or whatever.
The postcode, I'm not sure postcode is going to be a lot useful. Yeah, but I can bring in suburb again. If I actually want to go a lot, if I want to go very down, like I want to go that this thing. So I can. This is the field. I put in city there before, so I can bring in suburb and put there again. So I would have, if I go inside, I would have city. Then I would have all the suburbs under the cities. You see? Yeah. So city. So you see, rice. All right. So aside that, I think we are able to do that. So let me see sales now. Sales. I am not sure there's anything we want to use under the sales. Customers, no, nothing. Products. Do you want to filter by products?
Yeah. Well,
yeah, let's see. I will reduce this one actually. I'll reduce this one as well. So I will just say, I'll remove the data that I put here before, then put in product name there. Put in product name, then I'll just change format it, header, then I'll change it to products. Are we here? Nice. Are we good? So now we can now start to visualize now. So what do I want to visualize? I want to visualize, we need calculations first. Total sales, right? Good. I want to calculate total sales, so I can do that. Yeah? Card. Let me use card. Card. Where is it? Yeah. But first, before I can do any calculation on here, are we there? You know we needed measures to do that. Are we good? Yeah, so we are going to create those measures now. How do we do that? Remember I said we should always put all our measures all together in a different table. So let's do enter data. This is going to be a new table. Create a new table. Did you get it? It's quite different from that table that I used to create my date. I use this one to create my dates. Yeah. Did you get it? This one will give me a table with different entries inside. This one here, when I come in to enter data, here most times it just give me one. See, enter data.
The last class we used new measure.
We use new measures. No. We first created this table first. We change the name of the table, say measures first, right? Load. Then it is when we now have the table now that we are now clicking to add new measures to the table. Did you get the idea? So do we have measures now? We have measures now. Then I can now right click on it and say new measure. Yeah. So I can now calculate my measure. I can now calculate my measure now. So one of the measures, one of the things we want to see here is total sales. Or yeah, let me look at my data sets. It's going to be dependent from my data. Where is it? All right. So let me look at, do I have sales data? Yeah, I think I do. So what can I pick out there? What can I pick out? What can I pick out? What can I pick out? Yeah, look at this. I have, are we here? I have unit price. I have order quantity. Yeah, so my sales now, my sales now is going to be total sales now is going to be unit selling price, right? Times what? Times order quantity, right? So let's go see how we can run that calculation. So where's the new measures that I have here? I can change this one. How to format this one. So don't want to back. I want to edit you that's how I can click on this to edit it. Okay, let me delete this one. Delete from model. Yeah. Okay. All right. I don't go delete my measure. Yes. Enter data. Oh, I must have a column inside for it too. So let me say measure. Load. Yeah. So I can add new measure to this table. New measure. Are we there? So what's my calculation going to be? Total sales. Total sales. Are we there? So I will do sum, right? I want to sum all those things together, but I want to multiply now. Are we there? So I can multiply. What's the table that I'm using? Sales order, right? Then what's the column that I'm trying to multiply? Order quantity. This, right? Enter. Are we there? Multiplied by unit price. So sales, you don't give me, I will relate to you. I should have sales, or is expecting me to use a function, I think. But I'll still use that one. I'll still use this one. I know it should work. I don't know why it's not giving me suggestion. Oh, okay. That's not. Let me just copy this. I don't want to make any mistake there. So what's the name of that? The new unit. Is it underscore? I don't want to switch over. Okay, I think I can check it here. This one is going to go work on some sheets for itself. Unit costs is capital C. Unit costs. Okay. Yes. Unit costs. I'm having an issue there actually. Say the sum function only accepts a column reference as an argument. The column reference as an argument. So it wouldn't allow me to make computations like this. Are we good? Eh? So, yeah. So what I will do is, I'm not sure if this will work out. A fix. Let me try this fix first. It is not working. Then I want to believe that Power BI should have a multiplication function, right? Something that I can just pass in first to first multiply. So let me check. Some mods. It's not. It is not. It is not.
Some. It's not this multiplication. First, we that we multiply it first.
Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Equal to mods. But it's not even having the multiplication.
What another thing for multiplication?
Yeah, that's one thing we need to. Says times, yeah, but I'm not sure they will give me times. That's I'm very excited. Even me times this time. No. All right. So this is a way to go by it now. If we come to this thing, it means that we must pre-process our data. We can actually multiply it from.
Yeah.
Do you get the idea? So many.
But I don't want to believe that there's no multiplication.
Yeah, there's going to be, but I didn't get it. So, and I have a way to go about it. So, but let me check though. Just check though. But the another way to go about it is for me to actually do this. I can do this. Where is it? Sales order. So I can add new column here. Why am I having this column 13, column 14? I want to remove it. This one pre-processing again now like this. I don't need this. Remove this. Okay. Remove this one as well. Why they take time?
Calculated column with asterisks. Calculated column with asterisks. New column equals to table column and multiply by table column 2. Now, new column equals to table column multiply by table column 2. So it's just that the name, what you are trying to multiply equals to our table is, what's our table? Our table is where we are getting our columns from.
Yeah.
Other name times then the column name, what we are trying to multiply, quantity, then the normal asterisk with then the table name again, and then what you are multiply by what is constant.
I don't understand that one.
I'll put it on the slide.
Okay. But there's actually like three ways to actually go about that. Okay. Slap on my system. But let me finish this one first. I'll check that. All right. I don't know why it's created so many columns. Empty columns. All right. So one way to go about it first is to add a column here, right? Say new column. Where is it? New column. Yeah, we'll just multiply from it. It's going to give us a way to enter formula. Normal. It's going to give us a formula tab here. So you see column equal to. So I can just say sales now. Yeah, or sales value. Sales value equal to what's the value that I'm trying to multiply now? Unit cost. Where is it? It's unit cost. Unit cost multiplied by other quantity, right? Yeah. Other quantity. I think this is fine. So if we enter it now.
I think it's exactly what I'm trying to say. What is what I said to you about
yes. Then it means that it's not a measure base for this. So now I got this one and I can just go and use some now. This is one way to go about it. Now, second way to go about it again is to actually come from here again. From this sales order table. I can right click here and say new column. Directly. So if I come here and say new column, it should give me new. You see, I'll just impute the same formula there. Are we good to go? So any one of them is fine. So all right. So where's the one that I just created now? Sales is here, sales value. All right. So from here now, from this one that I just created, total sales now, I can edit it back. Say total sales now is equal to sum, right? sum of what? Sales orders, yeah. Then comma, what's the name? Total sales. Is it here? Is total sales here? No, the one. Okay, sales value. Sorry, this is it. Sales value here. All right. So if I enter it now. Eh? Now this is why I passed here before, not the again. The field. I didn't put any field here. So I can now bring in that sales value here.
That's for the entire sales.
Yeah. And now check what's going on. 2017 alone. 2018. Why? It's supposed to change. It is supposed to change. Yeah, I think that's where. Yeah, I'm coming. Let me go by this one first now. This is still not changing as well. So this should have a relationship. Okay, so let me go by products. Product 1. Product 10. There's. Why is my filter not working? Why is my filter not working? I'm coming. So debugging time, I hate debugging. Okay, so let me see if there's a relationship between them. Is there any relationship? No relationship between all of them. See, there's sales. There's a relationship between sales and customers, right? But there's no relationship between calendar and sales order, right? So let me put that. Let me connect them now. So what's the? I can use ship. Is this order date? Let me use order date. Are we there? To date. Are we good?
That's not going to be messed up.
No. Okay. It's just going to look at the date and be using order date to match both of them. So what's the other one that we use? We use product, right? So I can use product. Is it product name or product index? Do we have product name here? Do we have product name here? Is there product name here? Product description index. Let me see. Let me see both of them. Where's both of them? Product name, index. Okay, product index. So we have sales. I think it's that product description index. Where is it? You see, it's product index and product description index. That's what join both of them together.
Let's go back to product. I think that product name is just one people.
See now, product index. And then
Okay,
you get the idea. That's what is joining both of them. So we can use product index, bring it to product description index. Yeah. Yeah. So regions, we have this one before. What's the connection? Index. No, this will not work. Right. This is index for product, but it is recognizing it as the same thing for index here. So I have to delete it. I cannot have this one. It's wrong. Yes. Is it deleting? Yeah. So measures now. I didn't connect measures and anything. So let's check it again now. You see, you don't adjust by itself. You see the thing. So if I go 2017, 2018, select. You see, filters always come with something that is clear selection. So it goes up. So clear selection goes up. So this is 2018, 2017, You get the idea. So I can now decide to say, what's the sum of sales in this particular location in 2018? Are we there? So if I go in Dunedin in 2018, it is this. Why is it not changing by location? We change by location, so we need to go and location. We didn't do relationship for location, so let's go and check the relationship for location. Where is it? Location. This is region. It's standing on its own now, so nothing is relating it. So we need to look for a way to relate it to them. So how do we relate that? If it joins with any of these tables that is connected, it will be connected to all of them. Did you get the other? So it will be linking, but when it's standing alone, that's where you cannot see anything to just unify. You cannot unify any relationship whatsoever. So let's look at, if we can bring it down to, do we have city here? Okay.
Probably go back to first class. Now we have to create a table that is unique to both of them.
That's unique to both of them.
Because how do you take relationship if there is nothing uniform?
Yeah, but it's the problem now is if there's nothing uniform, we can't match. There's just nothing we can do.
Once you now create a column.
Yeah, we still need something to match. We have to match both of them. So if there's no matching anything, there's just nothing we can do as this. But I want to believe that there's going to be. It's just probably the names didn't. So let's look at the data sets together. So what's this one? Let's look at the warehouse code. Oh, warehouse code. Okay. This is not it at all. So I have product description index. Now look at it, delivery region index. Yeah, it should be inside. That's what we joined in regions. Yeah, delivery region index. Look at region index. You see?
No.
We should.
Numerics now.
The other one too is numerics. Where is it? Where is delivery region index?
Down, up.
This one. It's numeric.
Oh, okay.
Are we there? So we can actually join those two together. So let's see. Region, where is it? Index to delivery region index. I would have even seen it yes. So majorly because I didn't school.
Yes.
Delivery region index. So look at I can join both of them.
Well,
What did I join by? I joined by order quantity.
no, index and temper other quantity and it works.
Yeah, it's going to work now. They are both numeric. But it's delivery region index.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. But it will work if I join by order quantity.
Yeah, let's see. Yeah.
They are numeric now. Both of them are numeric.
But that's a wrong.
It's you that will know now that it's wrong. That's why we have to most times, even if they like now, Power BI has created a wrong relationship for us. It maps product index to region index, which is actually very wrong. But it was just saying that both of them are numeric and both of them are called index. So why not? You get the idea. So if we go back to our dashboard, we go back to our dashboard now, we should be able to filter by location now, Auckland. If I select this one together, you see that I cannot select multiple. It's actually very wrong.
Why not?
Yeah, that's the behavior is giving me now. So I think I'll go and change settings now. Options. So I will do slicer settings, selection. It says multiple selection in checkboxes only when control is hold down. So I cannot only when control is hold down. No, I want multiple selection, so I should off that.
Okay.
You get the idea? I should off that instead of agreeing with it. Yeah, so that I can just so slicer setting, I should off that. I should off this one only with so that I can select multiple by default. You see? Yeah. So I think we are good. I think we are good to go here. But it is now that I'm seeing that without those cards, my design, I suck at designs actually. Card baby, Baba.
Yeah,
Card baby, Baba. But I go still,
I think it's one of
which one? That shape, those shapes. This is actually called cat, so I used to misplace them. This one is called cat. Those are called shapes.
Oh, okay, wait. The salt we can actually reshape our art to something like that.
Which one? You know, I was using shape. I was using shape those days. It was the shape that used to give me that beautiful layout that I achieved that day. But now those shapes are no longer there. Now it's not left for me to play around with the visual to achieve something like that.
Oh, what happened to cards on shapes?
Yes. We're putting cards. Well, we'll just remove the default formatting of the card. We'll lighten the background of the card. But now we are now left with us now to now do something. So I can still do that, I think. I want to believe I can still do that, though, but it's going to be a lot of formatting though. So let's say call out value. What's call out value? I don't know what that means. So general, if I go title, I think the title's off, so I can on it. Yeah. So what's the title there? I can say total sales. Total sales, right? Okay, good. Yeah, centralized. So good. All right. I even don't want it centralized. I want it like this. Bad gone, you know, design. Bad gone. Total sales. I want it this way. So let's look at this. I want to put something here, like image or something. Watch. I'll show you. All right. So okay, so I'll do this general. What you call it? Yeah. So I have on title, right? I want to increase the size of my title. Good. I think this is good. Right. Okay. Okay. So effect now. Background is on. So I will copy this. I want to copy this. Format Painter and paste it here. Yeah. So I will now change all the colors now to white. Yeah. Title, color. I don't have title. Why? Who sent you work? Title, color. I'll make it very white. I'll bolden it. Then I'll take it to the other side. I'll increase the size. All right. Then I'll go to, yeah, visuals, color values. What are color values? Okay. I'll make it white. Yeah. Yeah. Then I'll take it to the other side. Why is it not giving me where to put it? Yeah. Eh? First wrapping, if I off it, I don't think that will. Oh, I actually wanted to do something else. I don't want to use that shape that we used before. So I want to bring this one to the other side, so that I can put an image here, like sales icon around it. It's going to be fine. You get it? But the option is giving me now. It's just for me to do this. You see the option is giving me. Then I'll now create a shape now that would hold both of them, and I'll put the image there. There's no need of Google. Yeah, I don't need to know. There's no need of Google. Sharif is calling. Hello, Sharif. Hello?
Hello, I'm with you.
Yeah. Okay, are we here? So, but it means that I will not put that shape. See, I don't give up. I will put shape. I'll push it. I'll push it. Okay, so I can format my shape now. So I'll format this. Now, let me take it up a bit, round it, so I can do this. This is a lot. Then I will now format this, bring this color in. Why shall we be called like this? Bar, not home. I want formatting paint. I want to bring in paint formats. Format painter. Why is it not giving me format painter now? Okay, let me see this color. Background color. What color is this one? Effects. Okay. What color is this? Yeah, I don't know why it's not allowing me to format. See, they're trying to allow me to format. Yeah. Sharif, okay, let me see this one. It's still not allowing me format. So I'll just go pick the background color manually. On background, okay. So Sharif is calling you back. What's going on here? The background is not even changing. So let me delete first. I don't know what is going on with that one. So shapes, I'll replace it back and try changing the background first. I have to bring out format painter now. Well, I don't know what is going on with that. So shape, yeah, but it didn't affect the shape. Probably because I'm using a visual and a shape together. So properties, is that they have background here? Shape. They have background color. No. Effects, yeah. Background. That's it now. Transparent. Oh. What's happening here? Like I am not understanding what's happening though. Again. I am not understanding. Where is this blue color coming from? The background color. Yeah, this blue that is on here. Where is it coming from? Oh, few. So it should be this. Oh. That's how. I don't want this kind of shape. Why is it giving me something like this? Okay. I think I'm using the wrong shape. I should use rectangles instead. Yes. And now shape it. Rounded corners. Yes. I think this is best for me. Yeah, I think this is the problem. So let me make it 20. Yeah. Yes, so we should be good to go this way. All right. So can I still do printer formats, copy formats? Nah, doesn't work. So I'll just do general setting effects, background color, no. I'm not using background color, so shape, star, hue color, yeah. I'll go this one, yeah. Then I'll transparency, yeah. And do the big transparency. Yeah. Okay. Wait happen. So I need to remove. I think I need to remove border for this one. Superman. Effects. Remove visual borders of it. So, yeah. Do I need border for this one as well? No. Effects. Visual borders of it. So why is this showing me background? Do we have background? I painted my background. Let me see. Where do I have background? Shape. Okay, let me see. Shape. I don't think I have it painted. Effects. This is background. Okay, and I don't think there's style. This is hue. So where is it seeing the blue from? Okay, border is on. So let me off it. Yeah. All right. So we're good to go around there. So put this one. I need to move that one first. Cannot group. Yes. So wow. But okay, I think I can send this one to the back. I can group. I think. See, group, but it's not bringing me from but I think I can order. So let me send this one to the front. Copy. Is there a form this thing for order to order to order to order to order? Bring to fonts. Format. Let me see. Yeah, bring forward. So bring forward. So if I put it here, so if I click here, but it's not allowing me to. Let me send this one backward. Send backward. Send backward. So if I click on this, it's still not allowing you. So it's never allowing me to align both of them. So it means that I must shift one first, then put the other one on it. All right. So I want to remove this. I want to remove the value under sum of sales. Remember how we removed it the last time? Category label. Is it category label? Yeah. Category label. Then I can. Who they call me like this? I pick. Hello? I did class. What's up? Oh yeah, now they come. I can get them. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I'm coming. 1 minute.
It's going to be nice, but I need to do.
Yeah.
Very corresponding to. Yeah, like I also like to have a watch. So I'm going to have to do start outside. So it's private. This class. Sometimes I'm outside. I don't
All right, so let me pick an icon. Let me pick a good icon first. Free pick. I don't give you resources. So. Free pick, then sales icon. This is sales. Yes, open this up. Wait. Sales icon. Yeah, I think this is good. But the problem now is the background. The problem with that one is the background. Yeah, I can Figma should even do it. So let me download. If it's going to download as PNG, then I can remove with Figma. If it's not downloading with PNG, then we have a problem. Download, free download. So SVG. Yeah, SVG. Okay, why don't you it's JPEG is not easy to edit. You can't even edit. How do you edit JPEG? So I can bring this one now into Figma and can bring it down into Figma. There's a start. Place image of video. Place image of video. Where's my downloads? Downloads. Okay. Open. And drag it in. Shoot. Drag it in. Then I can just pick in the middle one out. This is perfect. Now I can export this one. Export area. So completed. So I can import that one here. Insert image. I don't suppose temper something before I come here. Where I don't temper. So, like the width of the box, the size was smaller. Yeah, I think I'll just let it go this way. All right. So what next? What next? What next? What next? What next?
It was nice if this color was the color.
Okay. I can make it a little bit more transparent, but that's 100% transparent though. It's talking about the background. So if I off it, still not. Oh, I think that's the fill color. Sorry, on. That's the fill color. So let me go and check the fill color. Start. That is the fill. So I make it 82%. So if I make it 100, but we are not going to get this.
This is nicer. Yes, now. Me, I think.
Except I'll add a border.
Why do you want to add it? Okay. Imagine this is now changing. Changing. Yeah, I'm not seeing any border.
How?
Just change the year first. See now. See now. Nothing is not what I say. The right
I say I did.
You have to put that into consideration.
Yeah, if you are doing your this, you have to put it there. So I'm going to make it a bit smaller. I have to make it smaller. What we have here, general. Where is it? Call out label, no? Call out value. So let me reduce it. Yeah, I think it's fine like this. Then the total, the title itself. Let me take it from my weird design. So then it means that we don't need this box then if I'm not putting anything there. Let me go by your design. Let's see what we can bring out of it. Let's see what we can bring. Okay, let me see. I think I should be able to group. Work.
I think this is why you're able to put border.
I double selected. I control selected now. Before I was selecting one, I was doing group on it. All right. So can I do Control D? Control C, Control V. Yeah. So if I come down here, I can have, you know that I can have all my these things here so that I can get a fresh design like this. Right? Yeah, I'll go this way. I'll go this way today. Control C, Control V. I'll go this way today. What did I do there? Control D. Let's see, Control V. I'll go this way today. I'll go this way today. Yeah. All right. Then, so this total sale, I think that is fine. Then let's do a comparison. Total sale this time last year. Yeah, yes. Did you have?
I wouldn't our first one give us that if you select it.
Yeah, you should. Yeah, but you know, I want to select 2017 and see for 2016.
Okay.
Did you get the idea? So this time last year, give me for 2016. Year on year. That's it's a metric. It's a metric on it. Yeah. So did you get the idea? Although, well, you still agree with that, I select 2017 and see, and go back and select 2016. No, but I think year on year is it. Depend on what they want to see. Actually. So the good thing is just that just be equipped enough to provide whatever metrics they want from whatever metrics they want from you. So, all right, I'll just do. Let's try that here. Let's try that here on here, right? So I'll add a new measure. Let me add new measure and I will calculate that. Good. I add a new measure that will calculate that. So this is going to be year on year, right? Then I'll now say calculate. You know what I'm trying to do now? Eh? I want to use see year on year, yes. See what year on year is doing here. There we go.
So I think I want to leave the class now.
Yeah?
I have to attend to some things. I need to attend to some things at work.
Okay, okay.
So will I be able to get the full video now at the end of the class?
Yeah, I'm recording.
All right.
We'll see what to do.
Thank you.
All right. Okay, so let's look at year on year. How do we achieve that one? We want for this year. So if I do calculate, if I use calculate, remember that we use calculate to remove filter. That last class. To remove filter, yeah, to stop filter from. Calculate, not stop. Calculate. Calculate.
I still get this.
We use calculate sum of the value and say we don't want any filter. So we now use all.
It's not so,
It's not all. Okay, calculate, pass the value there. Then we now say all. Then pass that. Allow all of them. Do we get the idea? All right. Now the thing now is this is now telling us what values to accept when you use calculate. It will give you the whole value first. That's what we are having here, right? Do you understand the idea? Because last class when we were trying to calculate the percentage and want to lock that value, we just pass all of it to it and say, okay, all, then pass the tables. So as we are moving our filter, it is not affecting it because what we pass is that we say we need all the values. Did you get the idea? So our filter is not going to affect that as it stands. I will go. But now we now want to employ the same thing to filter out some values now. Now there's a function here in Power BI that is I think this time last year. This time last year. Let's check. But if you pass that into this place, it will now tell you that accept only this time last year.
To me, that's what I pick.
Yes, last year. Did you get the idea? So it now filter it like this time last year. So if what you have now is 2017 to show you this time, the filter will come for this time last year.
So let's see value of 2017.
For this particular thing that we do, you are not going to see for this particular one to give you for this time last year. For every other thing, your dashboard is going to remain the same. Did you get it? That was how we logged the last. Thing. That for that particular measure that we created, we just calculate, put that value inside, then put all inside and give you all, irrespective of whatever is happening. Yeah. Did you get? Now we are not specifying all now. It means that filter will affect it. But what we are specifying is now whatever is there at this time last year. Did you get the idea? Before whatever it is, whatever filter that was selected, give me all. Like don't you get? But now I'm saying whatever filter that I selected this time last year. Did we get the idea? So let's try to see. I'm not sure of that function though, but let's try to see. So I'll calculate. I need the total sales, right? I will say total sales, right? Then I'll say comma. Are we good? Let me say this time last year. Same period last year. You see it? I just know say last go did here. But I know say last go did here. But similarly, was taking it last class, and I was inside. I had something last year when it was taking it. So I know that this function should be there. So same period last year. So what is he expecting? He's expecting dates from us. So what day should we pass in? What are we using to filter? We are using this date field, yeah. So it's going to be calendar dates, right? So close it. Are we good? So if I close now, if I enter, wait, we will see.
Because if
Okay.
I now select the objects of 2020,
Yeah.
if what I'm now selecting is 2017, this time I say it's
No, we are going to have plan. Let's look at it. I think that's the way to verify what we have. So I will click on this. I will now remove this value and put year or put it here. Yeah, this time last year, 2019. Okay, so let me put for 2017.
wow.
Did you see what's going on there? But we need to undo this blank. We need to undo blank. I don't want to look at the report and I'm seeing blank. So let's look at for a function. Eh? Yeah, but I don't want blank. What's one on my dashboard? Eh? Because there's yeah, we can format it to say 0. We get the idea. So let's try to see that one. This time last year, let's look at it. I don't know. There's a function. Let me cut this one out first. There should be a function, no. Right? Or blank. Since Power BI calls it blank. So let's see. No. Do we have it? No. Do we have blank? Yeah. It's blank. I think that should solve it. It's blank. It's blank to solve it for us. Enter.
Is that what are we doing?
I think this is value. It's telling us value. Let me put value there. Is it accepting any other thing? It's only no, not be this one. No. This one just checks whether a value is blank and returns true or false. I don't think this is true. So how do we? This will just give me whether it is true or false. Okay, I think I can use if there. If, let me see. If, what's if going to give me? If logical test, and this is going to be our logical test, right? Then what is it returning? I'm coming. I don't mix up the brackets. This bracket is for which one? This one where I get Nana for this one, right? It's for this one. Then I still need for calculate. I need for calculate as well. Right? That's for the calculate. Then it's blank. If I do it, it's blank. Then if I do this. So what is he expecting? Result if true. If the result is true, I want it to return this. Right? Eh? Oh, this is blank. Yeah, I should return 0. 0, then return the else. Return this one for me. Right? If I save this one, we should be correct. I hope so. I think it's good. My way of me. Are we good?
No, them I don't know where they are getting it. Honestly, if we get our hands on data, it's not.
Yeah, if you just now the time go be the issue. It's the time.
Even if it's one day, we have to change the title now.
Yeah. So this one, if I want to change the title, we can always format the title, say call out label title, right? Title, I will say what's the title? Sales last year. This time, yeah.
Last year.
Or let me use it on here. Yeah. No, marketing time. This is a marketing. So for my
time last quarter.
This time last quarter, we can always do that with our filters. We have quarter there. So if I do this, it's just for me to go and select my dates, right? Then if I go down, I will now select, I don't want to select all. Yeah, I want to select only August. You see? August of 2017, nothing for August of 2017. We will not get 2016. That's why it is blank. Yeah, but if I go back, say 2018 now, let's check now. 2018, I now pick August, right? For 2018, only August 2018. So we have 75,000 now. Now let me go and compare with 2017 now. You get? Let me go and pick for 2017, sales of 2017. Let me see. Total sales of, no, total sales now. I'm comparing the total sales of 2017 alone. So I have a problem there. I have a problem now because this is telling me 75,666 for August 2017, and I'm picking August 2018 now. See it now. I'm picking August 2018 now. It's correct now. This time last year 75. Yeah, that's correct. So another thing I want to look at is profit. Yeah. Let's answer profit. So what's the profit that you have generated so far? So let's do that. Profits. I think we should be able to generate profit. We have unit costs. We have unit selling price. Yeah, we should have a profit. Yeah. Are we good? But now we are going to multiply both of them by 40 to get the profit. So there's two ways we can run that calculation. So the one profit that one. Yeah, units, my units.
And let's just get the difference between cost and units.
Yeah, then multiply that. Say all. So let's do that one. So I will do. Yeah, I can just create. In fact, I can do it in one column. So let's do that in one column, right? We add new column. Good. Let me go and do it on my. I'll do it here so that you can see this method. I used the other method the other time, so I can just add new column here. New column. Are we good? Right? New column. Then I'll call this one say profits. Right? Then profit here is going to be unit cost, right? Selling, no, it's going to be unit selling price, right? Yeah, units. No, I'm doing pure mathematical operation. I'm sure that they are still going to have it, but when it's pure mathematical operation, I just like to do that. The Power BI will support that. Minus, yeah, sales, where is it? Unit costs, right? Then I want to multiply. So let me bracket first. Multiplied by sales, quantity, yeah. Sales other quantity. Where is it? Other quantity, yeah. Yeah, we are good. So if I run it, I think I should have that working perfectly. Yes, I have it. So I can now remove the value for this one and add that to it. Where is it? Profits. Put it there. But did you understand? Did you get something? That I didn't create a measure for this and it worked.
The only thing that I can see is measure.
I didn't create a measure for it. Because normally that is expecting just one value. And I gave it one column. By default, it's just doing it. It's just doing the institution now. By default, the expecting that since this person gave me one value, they are all numeric. That card, there's no way to display the value on the card. Did you get the idea? What I'm using is a card. If I switch this visualization, I know go work. Yeah, if I switch it, see, let me switch, see what it will give me now. You see what it gave me now. Because this is not a card. You can actually visualize those values 40k, 30k, 20k now. Did you get the idea? But a card is expecting one single value. Did we get the idea? Yeah, what the measure is doing actually, when the measure is taking all those things and give us one single value. So that's why you see that when we needed to work on the card, most times we use measures. Are we good to go? Yeah? All right. So Control Z. But if you now pass in multiple values, it will still work when it's on the card because it will infer that this person just wants to swap all of them together. Are we good to go? Yeah. But where we are going to have problem is probably when you need what you need is an average. Probably I don't need sum, right? I want average. I want other measure. I want the mean. I want the mode. Eh? You can use card now. Average is just eh? No. That's what I'm just saying. That probably our notion, our target is to impute, say average profit. You know, this would not work now for average profit. I must use measure because this is automatically just giving me sum. It gave me option. Oh, Power BI gave me option. I can have average there without calculating measures.
Yes.
Yeah, so you know it is updating every time. Like yours now is a lot more updated than ours. They are working. The team is always on it. So what you think is not possible yesterday, is possible now. So it means that even for many of these now, I actually might not need to create measures for them. Yeah? Yeah. Yes, and I don't need to create measures for them because this is sales total. If I have a column called sales, I can just pass that column directly to do my calculations for me automatically. Are we there? Now the only place where would my man need to use filter now is when they are not here. They might have probably look at it that the functions that people are using more for measures is actually sum. The other sum is display average. So they give us that one by default. There's no need. Did you get the idea? So if we want to do anything out of them, for example, this time last year, yeah? New quick measure. Yeah, I think this one too, but I never tried this one before. See, select the calculation. Wow. It did. All those years it did. Yeah, yeah. See, year to date total. Quarter to date total, month to date total, quarter to average total change, month over rolling average. Wow. Yeah, so it means that even before you go there, you should check these options out. Yeah, just check it. So if you cannot do it with the option that they provided, now that is always our last point of this one. But as at my own knowledge, we cannot do many of these things without that formula. You get the idea. So now probably it's an advanced feature now. So you can do this directly. Then if you now try it didn't give you what you want. Then you know that that's the fallback option that I can just do this. Go look for how to implement it with that formula. Are we good to go? Yeah. All right, so I think I'm not going for average, I'm going for total sum. They even give us maximum. What's the maximum sales? 15,000. Wow. So I'm not thinking that anybody will need more than this. I'm not thinking you need I'm not thinking you need more than what they have given, what Power BI has provided by default. But let's see, sum of profits. Okay, so we can do sum of profits for this year. We can select all, right? So 1.74 million. Total sale is I'm coming. Let me remove the location. Let me clear this one. Let me see. Because do you see what I'm saying? If total sales is 96,000, right? And profit is 57.
not network. You can see the long that we need 20 network.
But the problem now we removed the cost price already.
The cost to the point of sales. Other things they are making before.
I'm not sure the data set is actually really.
But it's much.
It's much. No. This figure is correct. What we have in this yeah. Yeah, that's the problem. It's actually a problem. Let me see. I don't know what Babbitt is giving us. I don't know what Babbitt is giving us. This time last year. We are not here. We are selecting all. So what Babbitt is this? Okay, let me see. Let me remove for 2017. Okay, is it the same thing? It changed? It did not change, yeah. I think it's giving us from 2019 to 2018. Did you get the idea? So since 2017 didn't have so sorry, it's giving us for 2017 actually. Because we said this time last year. So this time last year of 2018, 2019, that's what it's giving us. It's not adding for 2017 to it. So if I select 2018, it will change. You see the idea? Yeah. You say? Okay, I'll select 2019, 2017, it will be 0.
Okay. What about 2018?
2018 alone will give us a value. It will give us for 2017.
And my question now, where is now amounting to 60 something?
Now it is adding for both 2019 because we selected 2019.
Okay, so it's not that's not because of
2017. Yeah, that's what I'm saying now. So for every calculating this time last year, for every you get the idea.
It's now adding 2 of them.
Yeah, the 2 of them together. But there's nothing we can do with like it. No, that's how it's going to be normal. That's how it's going to be. So, but how do you even want to calculate this time last year for both 2017, 2018, 2019? Now, if they will give us a calculation for it, I'm sure we are going to be able to implement it. But I just don't know how they want it to appear. But if they give us a value, we should be able to implement it. Are we good? All right. Okay. So this is blank. So if I select all, yeah. Good. So what do I put here? Okay, I didn't change it to profits. Profits. So general title, I'll change it to profits, right? Right. I'm selecting everything. I just see the always refresh annoyingly. Okay. Right? Okay, so what am I putting? What am I having here? I have total sales, I have gain here, I have profit. Then I think what I want to check, let me check my data set and look for one very beautiful key points that they would want to. Sales value, unit cost, units. All right, let's look at this. Can we calculate percentage profits?
That's percentage. That's the cost price. 9 over 100.
Yeah. What's the formula again?
We can use our.
Wow. So, well, I think our percentage profit is cost, yeah, should have cost minus selling. Yeah, okay, total sales, right? Sales minus total cost, right? Over
total cost.
Yeah, is it total cost or total sales? I think it's sales. So yeah, total sales, yeah. Then multiply by 100. Yeah.
The same friend what percentage of total sales is profit?
Yeah.
Yeah, you get it. What percentage of applicants was from I think I typed down. So this is now going to be okay. Minus the cost from the sales that they have been presented by sales. I think this expense. So that anything is possible.
Visualize
whether your answer is right.
No, that's very problem. You said your answer is right.
In fact, yeah, that's what we are talking about. That it is why they split you see somebody tell you that I'm a business analyst. It's still data analyst, but it's more focused on the business side. Some people will tell you I'm a telecommunication analyst. They are still data analysts, but they are on telecommunication side. So you will know that telecommunication from experience. You know that this is how we calculate. That's how we calculate. This is how we normal. You get there. So for somebody that has been in marketing, you get there. There is no specialization in the marketing. Yeah. So there's no way. Yeah. So you now can be a marketing analyst. So if the expertise there is going to be look, I have yes, I have marketing experience. So you get the idea. And there's something we used to call test cases. Test cases. I still mentioned that one too. So before you come to market, you always look for one true case. Are we good? We look for one true case. For example, I can be the marketing manager. What is your value for last 3 years? Give me. Then I know that that's true. So whatever visualization that for last 3 years I was getting that. So if you want to get it, you know that your calculation is right. You get the idea. So for this case now, when we are saying, okay, give me the percentage profit, I must have collected the percentage profit from them and say, okay, what's the percentage profit? Oh God, what is the percentage profit in this one? Then by the time I do all my own calculation, I'll now show me to okay, oh God, so correct. Me, so correct. So you know that when you work for the test case that you have, it generalize every time that. Are we yeah. So basically, it's majorly fitting it into your domain. Like my friend actually called. She actually wanted to pick up this Fabia. She's a chemistry student in Oklahoma State University. So she's run that business. She professor actually asked her if she has experience. So I was not thinking, what would she use? What she use Fabia. I don't sure that's that. Basically, there's just not, but for chemistry. Yeah.
Am I not free and so on?
So yeah, I really cannot relate to it, but it's now she now. Yeah, okay, that's why it's called business intelligence. Yeah,
Medical business, conclusion business, anything.
Yeah, but anything, once you are talking anything analysis, you also have to answer questions from data. And if you know people and then your skill everything. Then your skill everything. So and basically, there's just how many are we going to teach in class? Like how many are we going to teach? How many are we going to teach? Yeah, so what you expect components. Those basic components is what we should expect. To know. Are we, like for example, I was actually getting inspiration from one video for this particular task. Because I looked at it, I want something that would give time intelligence from so I just went on YouTube. And as the person is doing it, you will be understanding. Like just make sure because you go online, so if I can have a project now and just pick up one tutorial and watch it for 1 hour and just go online. I know the domain. I need time intelligence function. Go online, go do time intelligence function to work here. So the fresh notion of the cover. The difference between you and somebody that didn't do it at all is that person cannot make research to deliver. So whatever it is that you see somebody say I'm a professional in Power BI, it's just that person can actually navigate his way around.
at this and that confidence will come when you are doing that project. You cannot get, see, there's no way you can be confident in yourself when it's all by mouth. When it's all by mouth, there's just no way you can be confident in yourself. But by the time you pick up, you just go somewhere, animal data set, make you yourself, you just any data set, just bring it up. Yeah, just start. If people like for example, when I was there, I was able to replicate the MTN customer care data set. Data set won't be your own fast now. You want them to say they get data, you get for fast MTN customer. I think I need to get that. The person that did it before did Excel. He used Excel to put the visual, so I now look at that. This is a challenge because it was very fine. So I now replicate that in so you can deliver or something like that. You just know, say, no, what's possible, like give me data set. What's analysis? They use Excel. Yeah, Excel. Excel is still the godfather of the people. The sweet thing with this one is quite simple. Excel will buy it to do a lot. Get just drag and drop. Just drag and drop. Just Excel. I am going to Lagos this.
So when I was
Yeah,
you want to get the
eh?
Don't spread.
Shadow looks concept. I would say, what do you call it? I follow. And we can get right. Yeah. Let me see. It should have been sweet Python.
I was so confident when I fixed it out. I didn't write anything.
I didn't know that it wasn't recording.
Wow.
So I will just pick.
You said, okay,
Okay. This guy's story is actually very nothing we buck knows Abi. Nothing we buck knows Abi. Now only they teach. Nothing we know Abi. Now only they teach Python, they teach this one, they teach, and it has that skill.
And the guy too.
It's a very skilled teacher. Eh?
It happens to me. Maybe just finds it. Like you after it, but just
enjoy
it. Even they don't pay you. That only is good that you don't care whether they pay you or not. You enjoy it.
Bucky Python.
Experience.
But the guy he don't set himself for life.
Yeah.
He don't set himself. His video we keep selling. His videos we keep selling till tomorrow. Till tomorrow. His video we keep selling till tomorrow. No be Bucky. New Bucky. You see some of his video 10 years ago. And they are still getting views. Check the comment section. People still use it. I'm not being mean. Eh? See now, so this is Django now. This is just 1 year ago. 10K view. Let me go to his.
Is it free or pay?
No, it's free. It's free.
It's free. Yeah.
See, line of tutorial, computer networking. See this networking. This is the Ethereum. Only C++, Java, C, JavaScript.
But it's good.
Those things are
It's good.
to get to the point that you see interconnection.
Yeah. We don't use the first. So we get 500. They need Power BI.
Like somebody doing just learn one.
They're using like he said it now. Once you learn one, the rest
Yeah.
it's all the name that they are
Something on logic, whatever.
The funny thing was that I picked Python in 1 week. I used to tell people, pick Python in 1 week. I was coding Java. I was coding Java before.
And because of the
Yeah, so if you pick one, once you pick one,
can you still remember
I
that?
don't feel remember Java. I don't feel remember Java. But the thing is, at all.
This guy, I can't said, want to invite everybody to learn we forget Java, just learn Python. Learn Python.
HTML.
Yeah, so this is his video. Now look at this is 9 years ago. 9 years, yeah, 9 years.
But I know which video can be detailed. I would do.
No, just
The only thing is that I can go back and go back.
follow this thing. The thing is, we have already explained the class. Yeah.
It was in 2015. I was doing
Python.
go back and forget and but I want to be bright with Python.
So this is he has a video on this. He has a video on if Elif this, he has a video on 4.
Imagine.
He has a video on range.
Follow.
Yeah. So
Wow,
I think I'm not going to give you all of this. Because some of them we don't need them.
Like those files.
Yeah, all those installing Python, we know you didn't need that. Now look at this variable scope, unpacking arguments. I'm not sure we need all of this. So we have dictionaries, we need dictionaries, modules and co. So I'll just pick those ones that we need and send those ones to us. So if you now finish those ones, now want to continue, then you can now continue. Did you get the idea? All right, so let me post this one on the Slack channel.
Yeah, just Google channel, whatever. Is it difficult to put on
Google Classroom?
Yes.
On Classroom. I can post on Classroom as well.
Gmail, that's the best.
Gmail? To send on mail.
No, which one do we get? Please go Classroom.
Classroom, okay. I'll send it to the Classroom. So I said to just
Send it to Slack too.
okay.
Slack is easier.
For you?
Everybody is Slack.
One day, we have your money.
Let me see. Gmail.com. I'll send it, I'll drop it to the channel now. So I was looking at it at the order at which the guy ordered. But I think if you just, I would give you that, I would select the part that you should watch for you, that you pay attention to, but you can follow Bucky. Like following, he used to, his own arrangement is always friendly, fresh house friendly. That's why in the explain those installing Python. It used to be fresh house friendly.
So that it won't miss any
Yeah, so it's well organized. But the problem now is that it might now take things that we don't need. But for the fact that we don't need it in data science doesn't mean that you won't need it.
So the focus will be at least whatever you get from here, you can get nothing.
So I will point out place. So I'll point out the place where we need to focus on, but you can just go with it line by line so that when you get to that place.
You don't want to tap it now. You want to tap it.
I'm surprised why you're not making it yourself. I'm pretty much now.
Yeah, I'll go do video now. Say the one video.
I don't know this yet. I actually got exposed to Python when MTN hired almost all the Python developers that we have.
Okay.
Yeah, I think that was 2013 or so.
At MTN, I
had everybody, like they don't even care about your expertise level, they don't care about. But you know, as at that point, it wasn't popular in Nigeria. So you have but for the fact that you even know that this thing is a language called Python, and you have a small idea, one, you were MTN just be pack all of them.
Bring them.
Everybody on them just pack all of them. So now my first exposure to Python with that. There was still a lot of negative.
Program one, just MTN in UK. Yes.
There's still a lot of negative. Even as at that time, there was lots of negative about the program because about Python. Because I went to do IT somewhere and they were asking people what language I use. What language I use? Everybody they come. I'm using this. I'm using that.